Good morning. My name's Kelly. I work as a youth services librarian at Bethlehem Area Public Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy microwave tomato soup recipe. You'll need a half cup of chicken broth, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of garlic, onion powder, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of whole milk or cream, a teaspoon of basil leaves, and 1 cup of tomato sauce. So the first step is to just mix all the ingredients together in the bowl. And then the next step is to whisk it together with a fork or a whisk. And then you put this in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes covered. Now, take your hot pads and take the soup out of the microwave. Now just take your fork and whisk the soup together. Now that you've finished whisking together your tomato soup, you can enjoy it either on its own or with tuna fish or a grilled cheese sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.